Okay, I'm heading out to a job. They got a broken spring, and the lady said she might want an opener too. So I just told her a store-bought opener I could do for $14.95, so basically $1,500. The opener cost me under $200, but I told her I'd just change the spring for it. It's one spring on a single-car garage, so I told her I'll just throw that in. So it's going to cost me a spring $30. That's being that there's nothing else to do on the door, so it's going to take me probably an hour to do the whole thing. I'm on my way there now. I'll get back on when I get to the job. Look at the Golden Gate Bridge down here. Never seen it like that. 58. What did I say? It'll be 57 by the time you get to the middle. Maybe even less. 57, exactly what I said. Might go down to 55 even, I think. How you doing? Good. Okay, let's look up here. And she said she's been wanting to change this out. Has it been changed?
No.
No?
I mean, it still works.
Yeah, well, she said to change it out, so okay. Maybe before that she had problems or something. She wanted to change it, but okay, well, you'll get a new one.
That's on her.
Yeah. I already told her the price. She said, yeah.
Okay.
So I'll go ahead and start. And he said this was all one piece. He couldn't get it out. So you probably.
This drum right here.
Yeah, it has another piece in it.
Oh.
This one's kind of screwy. It's not circular anymore. And the plug is right under that. Let me get that one out. Get it in here. Well, I already did the spring on it. Yeah.
I just never used this before.
Finished that job. I changed one spring and I put the opener in for $14.95 plus $149 for the keypad. So I got $16.44. So I threw in the spring change, which only took me 15 minutes. And that's what I got for a garage door opener. So that was it. That took about an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. Got $1,644. The opener was under $200. The spring was about $20. So you got 220 in parts, $1,644. Off of that, I cleared about $1,400 in an hour. Anyway, you guys all waiting to get in this business and thinking that you're gonna do something better. I'd like to see that. And if you do, let me know what it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next service. And for all you people that are out there doing repairs, showing me your checks, I'm happy that you guys are taking our course and you're out there making money. This is the most lucrative business you can possibly get into. You know, people are wondering how they're going to get calls. They just keep coming in. Really, there's a need for this business. So anybody who gets into this business and does kind of what we tell them to do, like as far as the advertising, they're going to make money. So I remember I had a job before and it had nothing to do with it. They were making me feather dust. I remember I'm dusting shelves and stuff stuff. It had nothing to do with the job I was hired for. You know, who wants to do that? Nobody really wants to do that. What people want is they want the freedom, they want to make good money, they want to feel appreciated when they do it. And, you know, doing this business as well, it gives you a sense of pride when you're done. I mean, it all works. It's going to be there for 20, 30 years from now. People are still going to be using what you put in. So kind of gives you a good feeling. And once you're there, people keep calling you back. You always get referrals from that job. You just put your sticker on the wall. They'll call you forever. Anyway, anyone thinking about getting signed up, they should sign up now. Prices are going to be going up soon on their course. If you guys are thinking about getting, I wouldn't wait too long because they don't really give everyone a notice. I just know they're working on the price increase right now. Get signed up, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Don't procrastinate.